In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom themes in Outlook using Copilot. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Before you do anything else, make sure you're signed in with a work or school account that has access to Copilot. Since this feature may not appear if you're using a personal account or if Copilot isn't enabled for your organization. Taking a moment to confirm that first can save you time later. Once Outlook is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This opens the settings menu where you'll find the personalization options for your Outlook experience. If you're new to the settings area, don't worry. Everything is organized into sections, so it's fairly easy to follow. From the left sidebar, select General and then click Appearance. This is the section where Outlook lets you manage how the interface looks, including theme-related settings. Scroll carefully if needed and look for the Themes area. In the Themes section, choose the option to create a custom theme using AI or Copilot. When you click it, a chat box will appear on your screen. This is where you'll describe the kind of theme you want Outlook to generate for you. Now type your prompt into the chat box. Be as clear and descriptive as possible. You can include details such as your favorite colors, the mood you want, or a particular style. For example, you might describe something calm and professional, bright and modern, or dark and minimal. The more specific you are, the better Copilot can understand the look you're aiming for. When your prompt is ready, press Enter. After that, Copilot will generate design options for you right on the screen. Take a moment to review them carefully. Compare the colors, overall feel, and readability, especially if you'll be using Outlook throughout the day. A theme should not only look good, but also feel comfortable to work with. When you find the design you like best, click on it to apply it instantly to your Outlook interface. This lets you preview how it looks in real time, which is helpful before saving your final choice. If you're happy with the result, click the Save button to store your new custom theme. Once it's saved, you'll be able to use it again whenever you want, making it easy to keep Outlook personalized to your preferences. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this guide on creating custom themes in Outlook with Copilot, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.